Got these wood beams mounted to the aluminum roof. I actually decided to change my strategy for the roof. I'm not gonna drop it because I'd have to reinforce the 2x3s that I was gonna put up in the first place. So either way, and the 2x3s move more than this roof. So what I did was reinforce the aluminum roof. This is actually like a U-beam type of structure that's mounted here. So it's stronger than these ones right here, which are not U-beams, or like L-beams type of, you know, shapes. So I just reinforced it with these wood, which it should be fine when I put the wood panels up. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do back here, because I don't have much clearance up top. However, maybe I can cut this door down a little bit and give it clearance for when it opens. So anyway, I also cut the door too short. Well, it's cut the right length, but because of the type of hinges that I put on, it made the door shorter. So I don't know how I feel about that yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do about it, but we'll see. Yeah, guys, got the cabinets. Soft close. Already got stuff in there. It feels good to have things in my cabinets. Got the benches. So we're making progress. I have a couple hours to spare. I'm at Home Depot, and I got some metal, aluminum channeling, as well as some L brackets. I'm gonna try and create this. This is a piece of Lexan. It's roughly, I believe it's 1/2 inch thick. But I'm going to try and make a window frame so I can put it up in the roof of the truck. Again, I have 2 hours to spare. I might not get it done, but I'm going to begin and see if I can at least try and create something that can be sealed. So basically creating, you know, an overhang. So if this is the roof and this is the frame of the window going out, and the actual piece of Lexan will be here, I need it to rest on the roof like this, so the window comes down into the truck and I can seal this area right here on the roof. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna try. So we'll see. I will put another one of these on each side. I'm just making the holes for now.